What if the secret to transforming your life lies not in what you earn but in how you grow? Here's a surprising fact. Most people never tap into their full potential because they invest everywhere except in themselves. All these points holds a secret that could completely redefine not just how you see the world, but how you operate within it. Trust me, it's worth waiting for. Subscribe the Wealthy channel, and let's dive in. Number 1. Break the cycle of default thinking. Ever wonder why your goals feel stuck in limbo? It's because you haven't questioned how you think. We often operate on autopilot, making decisions based on habits rather than critical thinking. According to a study in the journal Frontiers in Psychology, 95% of our thoughts are repetitive, and 80% of those are negative. Imagine the impact of shifting just 10% of that towards constructive thinking. Ask yourself daily, is this belief helping or holding me back? Journaling for 5 minutes can help you spot patterns and reset. By doing this, you'll break free from self-sabotage and unlock a new level of creativity and clarity. Number 2. Read for growth, not just knowledge. Most people read to pass time, but what if you read to challenge your beliefs? Growth happens when you expose your mind to new ideas that make you uncomfortable. Books like Atomic Habits by James Clear don't just hand you tips, they give you tools to rewrite your story. Choose books that push you out of your comfort zone. After each chapter, ask yourself, how can I apply this today? You'll transform passive reading into active growth, becoming sharper and more adaptable with each page. Number 3. Travel far to expand your horizons. Travel isn't just about seeing new places, it's about seeing new perspectives. Each journey teaches you something no book or classroom ever could. International travel improves creativity and problem-solving skills by exposing you to diverse cultures. Plan one trip a year to a place that feels out of your comfort zone. Immerse yourself in the local culture. You'll return with fresh ideas and a deeper understanding of the world and yourself. Number 4. Take courses to sharpen specific skills. Think of skills as your personal assets. The more you build, the more valuable you become. Online platforms like Coursera and Skillshare have democratized learning. Adding just one high-income skill can increase your earning potential by 20 to 30%. Identify one skill you need to level up your career or personal life. Dedicate a month to mastering it. You'll future-proof your career and gain confidence in your abilities. Number 5. Build meaningful friendships. Friendship isn't just social, it's strategic. Your friends either lift you up or hold you back. Imagine living a long, healthy life filled with happiness. What's the secret? An 80-year Harvard study reveals it's not money, fame, or success. It's the strength of your close relationships. These connections don't just shape your emotional well-being, they're directly linked to your overall health and longevity. Relationships are the invisible thread weaving joy and resilience into your life. Audit your friendships. Spend more time with people who inspire and challenge you, and let go of those who drain your energy. A strong support system will amplify your success and make the journey more enjoyable. Number 6. Sell something to understand value. Entrepreneurship forces you to think critically about value creation. Selling even one product or service changes how you see opportunities. Selling teaches you the art of persuasion, negotiation, and understanding human needs. Start with something simple. Sell a handmade product, offer a service, or even flip items online. You'll develop a business mindset and a deeper appreciation for the effort behind every transaction. Number 7. Optimize your environment. Your surroundings silently shape your habits. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. A well-organized space boosts productivity by up to 25%. Dedicate a weekend to decluttering and redesigning your workspace. Add elements that inspire focus, like plants or vision boards. In today's fast-paced world, people often overlook the connection between their physical environment and mental well-being, mistakenly trying to push through distractions instead of addressing the root cause. An unoptimized space. Introduce elements that inspire focus, like greenery for a touch of nature or a vision board to keep your aspirations in sight. A supportive environment helps you stay consistent and motivated. Number 8. Find a mentor through intentional conversations. According to Forbes, 76% of people believe mentors are critical to career success, yet only 37% have one. Mentors aren't just assigned, they're discovered. Think of mentorship as finding someone whose life is a blueprint for your aspirations. Start by reaching out to people you admire. Ask, "What's one thing you wish you knew at my stage?" Build relationships before asking for guidance. As explained in point number 5, you'll gain shortcuts to success by learning from their mistakes and experiences. Number 9. Practice financial literacy. Imagine earning millions but losing it all due to poor financial decisions. This is the reality for many lottery winners. It's not just about knowing how to balance your checkbook or calculate interest rates. It's about understanding the underlying principles of money, investments, and economic forces that shape the world around you. Think of it as your personal financial GPS. Without it, you're driving blindfolded through a landscape full of money traps. It gives you the power to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and pursue your dreams. It's not just about knowing how to make money, it's about knowing how to grow and protect it over time. Financial literacy is the bedrock of wealth. Learn how to budget, save, and invest. Number 10. Build a secondary income stream. Relying solely on one source of income is risky. What happens if your job disappears or an economic downturn hits? Creating multiple streams of income not only provides financial security, but it also accelerates wealth building. Imagine having the freedom to travel, pursue your passions, or even retire early, all because you took the time to diversify your income. Multiple income streams isn't just possible. It's essential for true financial independence and living life on your terms. So what we learned today, greatest ROI isn't found in stocks or real estate, but within yourself. From sharpening your mind to building meaningful relationships and creating new income streams, each step brings you closer to the life you dream of. If this video resonated with you, hit like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more transformative insights. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.